What is this chikungunya? Is it a type of arthritis or is it a type of infection? And when there are large number of cases of chikungunya around me, can I eat chicken or should I avoid chicken? There are many such questions in our mind. So hello friends, I am Dr. Piyush Chaudhari bringing to you the next video on the YouTube channel of Fever Care Center for Infectious Diseases. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is chikungunya and how does it spread. So friends, chikungunya first and foremost has no relation with chicken or contact with hens or any such things. In fact, it is a viral infection which is mosquito borne. So an infection which spreads through the bite of mosquitoes. Then why is it called chikungunya? So basically the first case of chikungunya was ever diagnosed in an African country called Tanzania in the decade of 1950s. And in as per one of the African languages called Swahili, the word chikungunya essentially means a disease which makes a person have stooped posture or which contorts his or her joints. So in this disease there is such a severe joint pain and at times even deformities because of that pain, that there is this change in shape of the joints, and the intensity makes it extremely difficult for that person to walk properly or to do the movements normally. And that's how this word chikungunya came into existence, and this disease started to be known as chikungunya infection. Now world over there are many countries including Asian as well as African countries where there have been multiple outbreaks of chikungunya with extremely high attack rates once this infection is detected in a particular locality. As far as India is concerned, after a gap of 2 to 3 decades, since 2006, there have been n number of outbreaks across the country in different states. In fact, as of the current statistics, almost 34 states and union territories have been declared endemic for chikungunya infection, meaning that this infection is very commonly seen in 34 states or union territories in our country. Now, as I told, this spreads through bite of a mosquito, and the mosquito is Aedes mosquito. So friends, this is the same mosquito which also spreads infections like dengue and Zika virus around us amongst several others. So basically in chikungunya, the storage house or the reservoir of the virus is human body, and when Aedes mosquito bites a person carrying this virus in his or her blood and then bites another person after that, the virus is transmitted from one person to other through the mediation of the Aedes mosquito. Now there are few peculiar things when it comes to Aedes mosquito. First and foremost, the conditions in monsoon are extremely favorable for increase in number of Aedes mosquitoes around us and also for spreading of chikungunya virus, for which temperatures between 16 to 20 degrees, humidity between 60 to 80%, multiple collections of waters, clear water around us, all these factors are favorable. Therefore, chikungunya outbreaks in most localities are pretty common during and post monsoon period. During these outbreaks, the second important thing is, because Aedes mosquitoes do not have a very long range of flight, most of the cases are clustered around in smaller localities. So you would often notice that whenever there is an outbreak of chikungunya, there are multiple patients within the same house or family or within few families around them, meaning they are all clustered together in small areas, especially so when there is more crowding in those areas. And increasing urbanization and lack of water in many areas, making people store water, makes it even more favorable for these mosquitoes to grow and to spread chikungunya like infection. As the name suggests, this infection has main symptom as arthritis. What are the other symptoms that we shall be seeing in our subsequent video on the YouTube channel of Fever Care Center for Infectious Diseases. One important thing, this infection cannot spread from one person to another person without mediation of mosquito, except for one situation wherein there is a vertical transmission from a pregnant mother to her child, especially at the time of delivery. So all these things we are going to discuss in detail in our subsequent videos related to chikungunya infection and its symptoms. So friends, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Fever Care Center for Infectious Diseases. And remember, stay informed to stay healthy.